We are going to look at the front pass using your torso to develop the power. Now, the front pass is just moving the mace in front of the body, or sometimes I like to call it a swoop, as you may have seen in some of my other videos, to help you learn the more traditional style of a 360, which involves a lot more trunk rotation. We're going to bring in the front pass. So, place the mace on the floor and grasp with both hands to lift up the mace head. What you're going to do, is going to seem really odd at first, is I want you to twist your belly button to one side and let the mace follow afterwards. And pause once you've twisted. Now, twist all the way to the other side, let the mace follow afterwards. So twist, let the mace follow, twist, let the mace follow. Eventually, you'll get into a nice pendulum, a nice rhythm, and allow the torso to do the motion, let the torso bring the power to the mace. You just redirect it with your arms. We want to avoid standing forward and letting your arms and shoulders do the work. Near enough your biceps are in front of your chest at all times. You twist the entire body, keeping the feet largely on the floor, and you'll feel that momentum largely come from the core. That's a great way to start learning the core development for the traditional 360s.